the function of occipital cell, what they secrete, what they do, it's not clear. To this day, it's not clear. Chief cell has to do with how the kidney converts calcitonin into calcitrol. I mean, it's a absorbable kind of vitamin D, form of vitamin D that we can absorb. And it's correct, like at present time, the scientists are saying that because we are using so much sunscreen, that the human body does not have enough vitamin D. And as a result of that, there are lots of different kinds of health ailments out there. And so they tell people to take very high dosage of vitamin D. We are not getting enough. Okay, so this is your thyroid gland. So let's look into the parathyroid. That's fine. Maybe this one. Here inside here we have the colloid, which is your thyroglobulin, the precursor for thyroid hormone. So these are secreted by the cell, and these are your cuboidal cell around it, and that cuboidal cell is your follicular cell, and their job is to do two things. Their job is to secrete thyroglobulin, make thyroglobulin, so transcription, translation, and thyroglobulin. Protein is going to be produced. And their another major job is that they take iodine from blood. All the iodine is picked up by the thyroid gland and it's picked up by these cells, and they are converted into, I mean, if you think about what the structure of the, well, like how would you write a iodine? So I'm going to just take this little space in here. So if it's a chlorine, we have negative charge, right? So iodine belongs to the same category, okay? Same halogen group. So the iodine also will have negative charge. And somehow the cells have a hard time bringing in negative. So as soon as they are using it, they remove an electron from it and make it a positively charged ion. And then they take it in. And based on if they're combining 3 iodine, then they'll make 2 different kinds of hormone in here. Triiodothyroxine, tri has to do with 3 iodine, and then tetraiodothyroxine, 4 iodine. So we'll have 2 different kinds of, T3 and T4 kind of hormones are going to